How to fix TikTok shop not appearing on your profile in TikTok. Hi guys, in this video, I'll teach you how you'll be able to show your TikTok shop profile here into your TikTok account. So what you can do is open your application. Here you'll be able to see that you are currently, or I'm currently on my profile, where beside orders, there should be a TikTok shop um, link that you can click, and it will automatically route you into your own TikTok shop here. So in order for you to fix that, you can actually click on the three bars menu and go to your settings and privacy. And you can also go to creator tools. From here, what you will do here is you need to set up your TikTok shop profile. You can click on the TikTok shop for seller, and it would actually redirect you to the TikTok Seller Center account, wherein if you haven't created any account yet, it would actually allow you, or it will need you to log in or sign up into a TikTok seller profile. They will be needing a few information like your business information, a few documents, making sure that you are a legit seller, and making sure that your shop is safe for the customers and they will not be scammed in any way. So here this is the TikTok shop seller center account, wherein you will be logging in so that you will be able to link your original TikTok account into your TikTok seller account. So once you have connected that, what you can do next is go to your settings. Press on the three bars menu, go to settings and privacy, click on account, and you'll be able to see the switch to business account. Just click on it and then just simply click the button or next button until you will be able to successfully switch your TikTok shop into a business profile. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!